Now, if you're having trouble French braiding and it's too difficult, or you want something more simple, then we can do different ponytails. There's different forms of ponytails. You can hold your ponytail down here in the bottom, make one with any kind of barrette or scrunchie. This is a scrunchie. You can take it from here, from the bottom, and make a ponytail, or you can bring it up just one of my favorite ways of making a ponytail, actually, is nice and up high, like the cheerleaders. They wear high ponytails. Bring in the ponytail up high, using a scrunchie again. This is a loose one, but a very pretty ponytail. Or what we can do is you can do two ponytails by dividing the hair in two, making a straight line. And the way I like to make a straight line, believe it or not, is if you look down to somebody's nose, you can get an even straight line, dividing the hair really nicely. Bringing it all the way down. That's why rat tail combs are very important too. It helps because you can use the point just to go in the back of the neck like that and divide and get a nice even line.